Hello everyone. The vendor product list app helps user to show all the product list in the vendor form. For each and every product, we are assigning an vendor. Okay, from here on the purchase tab, we all can see that for each and every product we are assigning an vendor. Okay, so after installing this module in the vendor form, so let's get into the vendor. Okay, on this vendor form, the product will be visible along with the product variant, lead time, minimum quantity as well as the price. From this, user will get the idea of those products associated with which vendor. In this way, we can make use of this module to show all product list in the vendor form. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. If you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and purchase related modules, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated purchase features that we have. Thanks for watching.